Hello everyone, I'm Jingbo. I feel blessed to join this virtual conference. I would like to give a talk about abiotic synthesis of organic compounds in serpentinites. Hydrogen production during serpentinization of ultramafic rocks is thought to provide high potential for abiotic production of organic compounds. Previous studies have highlighted the abiotic simple and the solid organic molecules in serpentinization systems, but the direct evidence that the dominant iron oxide can catalyze organic production is lacking. In this study, our samples were recovered from the upstream Western Pacific Ocean. By using high-resolution imaging techniques, we show direct evidence for the abiotic organic compounds associated with iron oxides. We therefore conclude that nanopores and nano-sized iron oxides are the key for organic synthesis within serpentinite, which may also have implications on extraterrestrial worlds where serpentinization happens. Thank you for your attention.